Hi, I'm Chef Raphael, and today's episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, I'll show you how to make a simple vanilla cake. Now, this is a cake that you can actually use for commercial purposes, whereby you can use it as you can sell it. It's soft on the inside and has a nice vanilla flavor, and on this recipe, I'm using a vanilla flavored margarine. Let's get started. So if you're new to the show, I'd urge you to subscribe so that you're notified whenever I have a new recipe out. And for today's recipe, the ingredients are simple. There are four. We have 500 grams margarine, 4 eggs, 1 kilo of flour, and half a kilo of sugar. We also have milk, which is optional, and the milk basically is to make the mixture light. Now we'll start with the margarine. Now the good thing about this one, you literally don't even need a weighing scale, just need to empty the whole tub. The mixture is gonna be heavy and a lot. I'll use an electric mixer. And then I'll add the sugar in 2 batches. So at this stage, I'll add the eggs. I'll add 2 at a time. So this is our mixture, and remember, if these amounts are too much, you can always divide the ingredients into 2. Like we are having 1 kg of flour, you can make it to 500 grams, 250 grams of margarine, 2 eggs. See, you can always divide everything by 2 if this mixture is too much amount of cake. Now consistency here is a little bit light, but this is now at the point where I was saying you can add some milk. What I'm going to do is divide my mixture into 2. You can mix 1/2 in one bowl and then another half in another bowl, and then you'll combine it together when it's fully mixed until you get this kind of consistency. When you're baking a big cake, you need a big baking tin. This is a 12 by 12 inch square cake. It's a good idea to have a parchment paper or greaseproof paper at the bottom, so that when you finish baking, the cake will come out from the tin easily. Again, this is the consistency that you want when you're adding the milk. So after you pour, just spread your mixture to all the 4 corners. So the cake is ready. It took about an hour to bake. So it's a firm cake and it's evenly browned. That's another way of telling that it's cooked. So that has been today's recipe, a simple vanilla cake that you can enjoy at home or even for commercial purposes. And until next time, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.